Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Kinso YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sew your Egyptian khimar from beginning till the end. How to neatly and perfectly sew your Egyptian khimar. So if you want to see how I made this beautiful khimar right here and how I made the sleeve as well, do ensure to watch this video till the end. So the first thing to do right here, the jilbab is on the wrong side. So you turn the back of hijab to the right side as seen, facing up, and place the right side of the front of the khimar on it as well. So you tilt the front of hijab up a bit as seen. This is how to sew any pointed parts on your fabric. So you have learned something new from the beginning of this video. This is why you should be encouraged to watch this video till the end. And do remember to like this video, leave a comment, and also remember to watch the ads displayed on your screen. So do ensure that the part right here where you'll be stopping the stitch you're making is intact. It shouldn't be longer than one another. So you repeat the same thing for the other side as well. Remember to tilt the front of hijab upwards. If this is your first time here, do remember to subscribe to the channel and do like this video as well. And remember to check back weekly for new tutorial. And do ensure to maintain the same stitch allowance or hem allowance from beginning till the end to have a very neat work. So this is what you should have after doing that. The next thing is to sew your tie back rope by folding the tie back rope right side facing in. So you have to make your stitch on the wrong side. So after sewing the other side, this side I ensure to sew the other side as well, maintaining the same allowance all through. So before you turn this rope to the right side, you ensure to just make a cut on the curved part. And then you turn it to the right side. So your tie back rope is ready. If you want to learn how to cut this jilbab from beginning till the end, especially for beginners, I'll be leaving the link to the tutorial on how to cut this type of khimar for beginners in the comment section. So I folded it into 2 equal halves and notched the center. So the next thing I'll be doing right now is to notch the center back of hijab, and then I place the notch part at the same point, and then I make a stitch to fix the tie back rope on the jilbab. So do ensure to maintain the same seam allowance all through in order to have a very neat work. So this is what you should have after doing that. Always remember to cut your thread as you sew. So the next thing to do now is to hem the remaining part on the face circumference as seen. You can decide to weave it before you make, which is also interlock, before you make the stitch on the remaining parts. If this is your first time here, do remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment. So the next thing to do now is to hem the down part of the hijab, which I started with the front of hijab, and you can see how I folded the parts where I will be making the hem. Do ensure to try on your hijab and be sure that the length is intact before you make your hem. This is not compulsory. You can decide to also weave your hijab on the down part, or you make interlock, but to have a very neat work and to make your jilbab stand out, it is advisable that you hem the down part and not just weave it. So I ensure to maintain the same hem allowance all through. And this is what I have after doing that. The next thing I did was to join the sides of the hijab, starting from the point where the armhole measurement stop. That is where I'll be starting the stitch all the way down. Do remember to watch the ads displayed on your screen. These are the ways you can support this channel. And do remember to follow us on TikTok and Facebook. The page name is displayed on your screen, so do remember to check, and you can also check the description box where I'll be leaving the links to these channels or pages as well. So do follow us on the pages and remember to tag your friends as well. So guys, this is what I have after doing that. I repeated the same thing for the other side as well. So I decided to add my brand label as seen, so that anywhere my jilbab gets to, they will know where it's come from. So this is the sleeve I'll be attaching to this particular jilbab, which I'll be uploading on my TikTok and my Facebook page. So the videos are already uploaded on the channels, both on Facebook and TikTok. If you want to learn how I made that sleeve, ensure to go and follow me on those pages and watch the video. Also, do let me know if you come from Facebook, either you come from my YouTube or any of my socials. Do leave a comment when you watch the videos there. So these beauties displayed on your screen right now are some of the things that are being taught in my fabric beading class. If you want to bead neatly like a pro, you can see how this particular fabric on your screen right now, or design, is. The wrong side is not showing any form of thread. These are the things you will learn in my fabric beading class. All these things displayed on your screen are being taught in the fabric beading class. So if you are yet to join the class, there is the link to the class in the description box. All you need to do is to click the link and you have access to the class. You can also reach out to us on WhatsApp for inquiries. So to fix the sleeve, I folded the sleeve right side facing and I joined it. Then I turned it to the right side. So now remember, the sleeve has been turned to the right side, then I inserted it inside the jilbab as seen. Remember, the jilbab is on the wrong side. Then I make a stitch all around. So automatically, when you turn the jilbab to the right side, the sleeve is also on the right side as well. Please do take note of this. This is how to neatly and correctly fix your sleeve on your jilbab. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do click the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And do remember to like this video, leave a comment and share it with your friends and loved ones. And do remember to follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Bye.